Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important parts of a Wikipedia page, the info box. I'm Steve for the Mather Group, and we're creating short videos for marketing and PR teams to help you better understand Wikipedia all in 5 minutes or less. Before we jump in, one quick reminder. If you're affiliated with a company and looking to make changes to a company's Wikipedia page, you should disclose your connection and work through the appropriate channels carefully and transparently. Now, if you've ever looked at a Wikipedia article, you've probably noticed the box on the right-hand side. It contains things like your headquarters, number of employees, leadership, products, subsidiaries, all types of important facts. This is called your info box, and you can think of it as a kind of fact sheet for the topic. For many readers, it's one of the first places they look after reading the opening paragraph. And you'll notice that many of the entries link to Wikipedia articles, making it easy to navigate to related topics. So, as you can see here, there's a related brand, and you can jump to that brand's Wikipedia page all from the info box. Now, different articles use different type of info box templates. A company page has one set of fields. A biography, as you can see here, has a different set of fields. This information is capturing something specific to the article, a biography, which obviously is going to be quite a bit different than what you would capture for a company, which is why it uses a different template. Now, if we look behind the scenes for a moment, we can actually see what an info box template actually looks like. Now, don't worry, you don't have to understand how all of this works, but the important takeaway is that info boxes aren't just free-form text boxes. They're built from templates with predefined fields that determine what information can be displayed and how it's organized. That's why company pages tend to look similar to other company pages. Now, all this structure serves a purpose. You can think of each of these fields almost like a database entry. Instead of writing a paragraph that says who a CEO is, Wikipedia stores that information in a specific field designed for that purpose. In fact, one of the original goals of info boxes was to create structured, machine-readable information that could be reused by other systems. So if you've heard of Wikidata, that's where Wikidata comes in. Wikidata is a separate Wikimedia project focused on structured information and entity data. So you can see an actual entry for a company here. Now, again, you don't need to know all the technical details to understand why this matters. The key takeaway is that info boxes are part of the broader ecosystem of structured information about any entity, or in this case, a company. Now, why does any of that matter? Well, if we zoom out for a moment and we think about this, it's especially important because of the way the search experience has evolved here in 2026, right? Today, structured information, including Wikipedia, increasingly plays a role in search engines, knowledge panels, and AI-generated summaries. So just as a quick example, you can see here on the right side, this is a knowledge panel that, again, pulls from multiple sources, but you can see Wikipedia being core and central to the information that's being provided. In fact, this summary here is straight from the Wikipedia page. Also looking at AI summaries, you'll notice that there's a number of places information is being pulled in from, but Wikipedia is once again one of the main sites that's powering the AI summary. So if you're evaluating a company Wikipedia page, certainly the info box is one of the first places that I would start. If someone only spends 30 seconds at a Wikipedia page and they're looking at the article, they're going to look along with the opening paragraph at that info box, most likely, and much of what they're going to walk away with should be contained in those areas, right? So it's worth asking, is the information in your info box accurate? Is it current? Is it complete? And importantly, does it reflect and link to all of the important elements of the company as it exists today? As structured information becomes increasingly important across search and AI-driven experiences, accuracy and completeness matter. So start simple. Focus on a clean, accurate, complete info box that reflects the topic as it exists today. For many readers, it may be one of the first things they see and one of the things that they remember. Thanks for listening.